Wait, what? This actually smells good. Oh yeah, for sure we need more hand sanitizer and dish soap. I have to keep mixing. I think we need more hand sanitizer, right? Or I have Roma powder available. Hi, Gabby. This is the gel. Hi, Sets. I have Roma available. Orange. I think it's working. The whole thing? Okay. The whole thing. I have Roma available. Let's wait on the next wintergreen. We need another hand sanitizer. We're trying to make jelly. No, it's not going down. It's just the suds went down. The bubbles it made, it went down. So that's why it looks like... it's 6. This one. I got it for like $5.88. I think that was the price at Walmart. And that's the only brand that I saw. I saw the green ones, but they were tiny. Maybe more dish soap. Yeah, but she had a candle next to her sink. Holy shit, I think it's working. Look at that. How does it look? Oh shit, I think we did something. We need dish soaps in here. Does somebody want to send for dish soap? I have 4. I feel like I know a lot of people use Roma. I think when we were watching Sammy, she used Roma, but I don't know if it worked for her. Do not. Where's Sammy at? When she was live, she was doing it, but I don't know if she added Roma. But I do have Roma available. Palmolive? I have Palmolive available. They're not pinning the right comments. A lot of people use dish soap though. Oh, you know what? It needs Roma. Oh yeah, we could do that too. I sent this one. Thank you, my love. When Sammy was live, I think she used aroma. 8, not 14. What is Miss China talking about? Oh, it's the balance is 14? Imagine it fucking blows up. I'm gonna add another one. My hands are slippery. Do I got more what? Bubble butt? What did you ask me? I don't know what you're asking me. Do I have more what? Do I have more Sani? Oh, hand sanitizer. Yes, I have one more. Last one for 6. Last one. What? Somebody told me not to use a sponge. And then something, you guys are telling me to use the sponge. So use the sponge or not use the sponge? I'm stressing now. I have one more hand sanitizer. We only added 2. Oh no, we added 3 wintergreens. We need dish soap. Maybe dish soap? Or I have one more hand sanitizer. What about this Home Bright dish soap? No, huh? Take some out.